Okay guys, so it's Sunday, off of work, and right now I'm heading to meet up with a few friends and go skate someone's backyard mini ramp. I've never met these people before. They sent me a message on Instagram, and from my 50 States challenge, I would always be meeting up with just random people who would ever message me, and it's kind of refreshing, you know, just when you get older, you don't really skate with as many new people as you did when you're younger. When you're young, you would just pop around, meet up with different crews and go skate. Then when you're older, people get jobs, or a lot of my friends quit, so it's cool to just meet up with some new people. And yeah, it looks like that ramp's pretty sick, so it should be a fun time. Good way to start the day. Just drop my whole seltzer on the floor. Good start.
So let me get ready.
Are you gonna people fake you today?
I was thinking that on the way there. I was like, I'm gonna have to people fake you today.
Today's the day. It's going down.
I'll people fake you today.
All right. Chad, nice to meet you, man.
Nice to meet you, Chad.
What's your name?
Fitz or
Fitz.
Sean?
All right.
All right, Sal. Nice
How's it going?
Nice to meet
Nice
you,
to meet you, Chad.
Totally fine.
Oh, I hit you.
You did, but you need that.
Yeah. Let that feel fakey. All right. Oh, you got that.
I feel like I'm just gonna go like, try to come in and just go like that way.
Chipotle.
Yeah?
Let's try it.
I'll buy you Chipotle if I don't stick it.
Fine. That's a deal.
And you buy me if I land it.
All right.
All right.
Yes! Hell yeah.
There it is. That's what I was afraid of the whole time.
Well, how bad was it?
Yeah, how about it?
It's bad.
All layers. Look at that.
You still got it. Oh my god.